Nuka Cola Quantum. That bright neon blue stuff that always just looks so delicious. For this one, you will need a cup of water, 2 cups of sugar, zest and juice of 1 whole lemon, zest and juice of 1 whole lime, 2 tablespoons of fruit punch, 2 tablespoons of pomegranate juice, 1 teaspoon of citric acid, 5 drops of neon blue food dye, because that color doesn't appear naturally. Much like the last one, we're gonna combine everything but the food dye, the citric acid, and the lemon and lime juice into a saucepan. Gonna stir it on high to medium heat until the sugar dissolves. Bring it to a boil, then put it on low and let it simmer for 10 minutes. I'm going to start with the sugar. 1, 2. Cup of water. Find your trusty tablespoon. 2 tablespoons pomegranate. 2 tablespoons fruit punch. And the fun part, the zest. We're just gonna do this time. Oh, look at that, how good that does. Look at all that. And time for the lemon. Once you've zested your lemon all you can, make sure you get the extra stuff off your zester. Once you're using a cheese grater, get the extra stuff off your cheese grater. I'm gonna put it on roughly the same thing it was at when I did the other Nuka Cola. And I'm gonna start whisking. Let it whisk me away. Alright, now, as before, I'm going to turn the heat back up, let it come to a boil, and start the process of juicing these suckers. Alright, so I've juiced my citrusy things. Now, once it's been 10 minutes, I will be straining the stuff on the stove and adding the juice and the citric acid. Changing up my method this time around. I'm gonna strain it into a large bowl. And then I found my funnel. I'm gonna funnel it into the jar. Bowl might be too big. We'll find out. It's been 10 minutes. And I found a bigger strainer. Look at that. Oh, it's perfect. Look. Okay. Gonna move my jar. Move my strainer. Get my this thing. That was a lot easier than last time. And now, I'm gonna put in the juice. And the citric acid. It's gonna get stirred in along with the food dye. And it's 1 teaspoon of citric acid. I like to get it nice and even. Drop it in there. Stir it up a bit. And 5 drops neon blue food dye. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And stirring. That nice blue Nuka Cola Quantum color. I wonder how it tastes. We'll find out later. And now for the hard part. I have to funnel it into the jar. Funnel. Jar. Sink. I spilled a lot less that time. Now when that cools, I'm going to put a lid on it and stick it in the fridge for 12 hours, just like last time. Should we try the Quantum? So, for the Nuka Cola Quantum, it calls for a cup of seltzer water and 9 tablespoons of the syrup. And this is the syrup after almost 24 hours. New cup of ice. One, two, three. Up a nice neon blue Quantum. You can really taste the lemon lime. It's kind of like a fizzy limeade. Now I'm going to see how Maddie looks.
Hi. Can I drink it? It's really pretty.
Go for it.
You really taste the lemon.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Honestly, if the seltzer was a bit more bubbly, that'd be like perfect.